subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
Samsung has officially announced its new rugged smartphone globally called Galaxy Xcover7 with 5G support. Now let's have a look at the specifications of this smartphone. The Galaxy Xcover7 features a tall 6.6-inch Full HD Plus display, with a standard 60Hz refresh rate support, and on the top, it is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass Victus Plus. The phone comes powered by unspecified octa-core processor, which is believed to be MediaTek Dimensity 6100 Plus chipset, paired with 6GB of RAM, and 128GB of onboard storage, which is further expandable up to 1TB via microSD card slot. In terms of camera, the Galaxy Xcover7 sports a single 50-megapixel main camera with f1.8 aperture, and it has 5-megapixel selfie shooter under the hole punch at the top center with f2.0 aperture. On the software front, the handset runs on Android 14 with One UI 6 skin on top, and it is equipped by a large 4050 mAh removable battery, with 15 watts fast charging support. Additionally, the smartphone features an side-mounted fingerprint sensor for authentication, and it is IP68 certified for dust and water resistance, and it is also military standard 810H compliant. The connectivity option on the phone includes 5G, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.3, GPS, NFC, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a Type-C charging port. The physical dimensions of this smartphone measures at 169 by 80.1 by 10.2 millimeters, and it weighs around 240 grams. So now let's take a look at the pricing details of this smartphone. Unfortunately, the company is yet to announce the pricing details of this smartphone, but it is rumored to be priced at 8,999 Czech korunas. So, what do you guys think of this Galaxy Xcover7 smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching, we'll see you guys in our next video.